The Dhammasangani makes a mention of the same in the following way. Sukh bhumiyam kamavachare rupavachare aparyapanne sukham vedanam thapetva tam sampayutto sanya khando sankhar khando biyan khando ime dhamma sukhay vedana sampayutta. Now we are going to discuss some of the Dukmatikas. Dukmatikas are 100 in number. Now we will discuss only one or two Dukmatikas for the sake of understanding that how the treatment of the Dhamma, Chitta, Chaitanya, Rupa and Nibbana have been enumerated in the Dhammasangani, the first book of Abhidhamma Pitaka. Dhammasangani contains 100 Dukmatika which belong to Abhidhamma tradition. We note that since each Matika contains two questions, therefore it is called Dukmatika. Here, each Matika has not been treated individually and separately. Attempt has been made to put the Matika under a particular head dealing with that particular subject. For instance, there are 6 Matikas which deal with Hetu. They have been put under the head Hetu, and because of their cluster, it is named as Hetu Gochaka. Similarly, Matikas dealing with Asavas are grouped under the Asav Gochaka and so on. There are some Matikas which deal with different subjects individually and therefore they are not put under the heading Gochaka, but they are classified separately as Chulantar Dukha, Mahantar Dukha and Pitti Dukha. Thus, all the 100 Dukmatikas have been grouped under the 13 heads known as Hetu Gochaka, Chulantar Dukha, Asab Gochaka, Sanyojan Gochaka, Gantha Gochaka, Og Gochaka, Nivaran Gochaka, Paramas Gochaka, Mahantar Dukha, Upadan Gochaka, Kiles Gochaka and Pitti Dukha. Now we are going to discuss about the Hetu Gochaka. Hetu means roots, Mulathehina Hetu. There are 2 types of root, Kusal Hetu and Akusal Hetu. The problems related with the roots have been grouped under the Hetu Gochaka. There are 6 questions under Hetu Gochaka. First is Katme Dhamma Hetu. Lobh Dosa Moha Akusal Hetu 3. Alobh Ados Amoha Kusal Hetu 3. Alobh Ados Amoha Abhyakat Hetu 3. 9. From the standpoint of Chit, Kamavachar Akusal 3, Kusal 3, Abhyakat Hetu 3. Rupavachar Hetu 6, Akusal Hetu 0, Kusal Hetu 3, Abhyakat Hetu 3, Arupavachar Hetu 6, Kusal Hetu 3, Abhyakat Hetu 3, Lokuttar Hetu 6, Kusal Hetu 3, Abhyakat Hetu 3. Now second, Katme Dhamma Na Hetu. Except 9 Hetus, namely Kusal, Akusal and Abhyakat, the remaining Chit, Chetasik, Rupa and Nibbana are called as Na Hetu. Katme Dhamma Sahetuka. There are 71 types of consciousness which are called as Sahetuk. Second, Katme Dhamma Ahetuka. There are 18 types of consciousness which are called as Ahetuk. Now, Sahetuka Dhamma, let us see in a chart. Kamavachar, there are altogether 54. If you minus 18 types of Ahetuk Chit, there are only 36 types of Kamavachar Chit. Rupavachar altogether 15, Arupavachar 12, Lokottar 8 or 40. So altogether there are 71 or 100 three types of consciousness which are called as Hetu Sampayutta. Now we are going to discuss Asav Gochaka. Asav literally means intoxicants. It refers to such immoral states which functions as intoxicants on the surface of the mind of the person concerned. As one takes some alcoholic drink, the rational attitude is totally disturbed. Similarly, when one possesses the asavas which generates mental intoxicants and thus mind is under their control. They are four in number. Kamasava, first, the word kam stands for the sensual pleasure. We have six senses, namely eye, ear, nose, tongue, body and mind. There are six respective objects also. They are the Roop, Sad, Gandh, Ras, Phatabba and Dhamma Ayatana. Each sense organ likes to have a pleasurable, amicable object. Such desire of dominating nature is enjoying the pleasure of the sense is called as kamasav. The text says, ये कामेषु काम छंदो काम रागो काम नंदी काम तन्हा काम सिनेहो अयम बुच्चति कामासवो. Next, bhavasav. The word bhav means process of repeated existence. Asav develops in the form of lust for that. Thus, the intoxicating lust for maintaining the existence is called as bhavasav. The text refers ये भवेषु भव छंदो भव रागो भव नंदी भव तन्हा भव स्नेहो भव परिलाहो भव मुच्छो भव अध्यसनायो अयम बुच्चति भव आसवो. Next is Ditti Asav. The word Ditti refers to the wrong or false views which have no concern with the problem of purification of a man who holds fastidiously or wrong notions, irrespective of any consideration. It is called Ditti Asav.